Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the Paleocene-Eocene Thermal Maximum of our alternate timeline, an event marked by a staggering 12°C global spike, versus 8°C in our world, driven in part by massive methane and co-releases and magnified by sauropod-driven die-off of forests. Thermometer, climate biomes, equatorial belt, now a semi-desert strip with sparse xerophytic shrubs and hardy grasses. Tropical zones stretch northward into what's now central Alaska, supporting lush rainforests and giant ferns. Seasonality. Intense wet seasons alternate with prolonged droughts. Savanna landscapes dominate, punctuated by gallery forests around permanent rivers. Tropical fish. Marine anorexia. Ray fin fishes suffer massive extinctions as warming and deoxygenation collapse open water food chains. Sharks fare far better. Many clades diversify in coastal refugia. Reptilian radiations explode. Choristodires and crocodilians fill niches once held by mosasaurs, and new semi-aquatic proto-mosasaur forms emerge. Spouting whale origins. Archaeoceti evolved sooner and in more varied directions. Some remain semi-aquatic, stalking fish in river deltas. Others become fully aquatic, retaining teeth and developing thicker blubber layers to cope with warm but unstable seas. This diverging whale fauna coexists with plesiosaur-like reptiles in warm coastal shallows. Palm tree, terrestrial winners-losers. Titanoboa and other wet forest specialists vanish as swamps collapse. Sebasids, land-based crocodiliforms and other non-crocodilian predators rise to dominate dry savannas. Patagotitan savannas in the northern hemisphere reshape carbon cycles and fire regimes, but in the southern hemisphere where sauropods were never introduced, the heat persists unbuffered. Penguin radiations. Southern continents spawn new penguin lineages of astonishing variety. Some reach 2 meters tall with iridescent plumage. Others remain small, highly maneuverable swimmers in coastal shallows. These penguins fill niches from tropical lagoons to temperate shorelines, far beyond the subantarctic habitats of our world. Egg monotremes. Other survivors. Monotremes cling to forest patches and freshwater wetlands, enjoying a modest resurgence amid the upheaval. Small marsupials and early rodents eke out niches in riparian corridors. Penguins will specialize and new forms will appear adapted to a warmer Antarctica. Ostrovus cauvidator, one of the largest penguins, they lived in the area of South Australia and the Antarctic coasts. They had an appetite based on insects and crustaceans but also fish. Glaciavis cauvidatus is not a glacier penguin because there is no ice, but it does live in the more seasonal areas that remain. Next episode, we'll trace the dazzling sauropod family tree spawned by our transplanted Patagotitan and meet the extraordinary mammals, reptiles, and birds that co-evolve in this heat-hammered Paleogene world. Stay tuned.